Hey guys, it's day 8 of Christmas in July. Have a fun, easy DIY for you today. And just wanted to show you my shirt I found. Let's see. It says blessed and it also says it on the arms. I love this shirt. No particular brand, not promoting anything. I just found it at a little store and thought I would share it with you. So let's get right to day 8 of the 12 Days of Christmas in July DIYs. So today we're going to make some gnomes, and this is my first time making them, so if it's a little wonky, you'll know why. So I'm going to make a pinecone gnome, and this is the fur I'm using for the beard. And then we'll make another gnome using a Coke bottle. So bear with me and we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to begin by attempting to cut his beard, so we'll see how it turns out. And I'm going to use this green piece of felt to make his hat. And here's what we have so far. I'm going to use this wood bead from Dollar Tree for his nose, and I'm just putting in a little wood filler to fill the hole. And I'm using this folk art paint to cover the nose, and I really don't know what color it is, I'm sorry. Okay, I've got a little more light, so hopefully you can see better now. And I'm just going to put a little hot glue on this and stick it on where the nose should be. And I just felt like he needed something else, so I'm going to put some little red berries on his hat. And here he is, guys. How quick and simple was that? And for our second gnome, I'm using this Coke bottle. I believe it's a 16 ounce. Just going to wrap it in this felt, and then we'll make a beard and another piece of felt for his hat. So I'll use this red felt to make his hat. And I did have a little bit of trouble making the hat. I don't know what was going on, but it worked out in the end. And now I'm cutting another piece of this fur for his beard. Also ended up gluing the hat down in spots because I did get it a little too big. So if you do this, make sure you get it tight enough to fit around without it falling off. Now I'm going to use this little ornament. I did get it at Dollar Tree last year for his nose. It did have some hot glue on it. I had used it on another project and I was trying to peel some of that off, but there's his nose. I thought that was really cute for a nose. And I felt like he needed something else as well, so I'm using another ornament to put on the top of his hat. And as you can see, I'm having issues. Then I cut a strip of green felt to go around the bottom of his hat as well. And just one moment and you'll see the display. And here they are, guys. Really simple, budget-friendly DIYs. And I think he might need a little trim so we can see the pine cone on this one. But I hope you enjoyed day 8 of the Christmas in July DIYs. And I thank you so much if you are a subscriber. If not, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below and let me know how you're enjoying the 12 days of Christmas. Have a great day. I will see you in my next video.